How to use Samsung Edge Panel hidden feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to enable it from your settings. So swipe downwards from your home screen to access this settings option. From there, simply head to the display option and you should be able to find this edge panels. Go ahead and make sure this is enabled. Once this function is enabled, you should be able to access this edge panel by simply swiping towards your left from this right panel. And from here you can use many functions or such as opening new applications or even quick access to interpreter modes as well as sketch and image and even the AI select itself. You can also add your desired applications over here by simply tapping on this pencil icon and removing your applications or simply tapping on them and you can add it over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.